Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Gaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get Minecraft Bedrock Edition on your Steam Deck. So we can go to power right here, and we have to switch to the desktop mode for us to be able to enable this. Otherwise you can get the Java Edition very easily. You just have to go ahead and get the Prism application on here, load it up, and then you can play in the Steam mode too. So once we're in big picture mode, and I'm just doing this on my TV because that's how I like to play. Let's go on down to the start button, or the Steam button, and we can just type in Prism. If we type in Prism Launcher, I'll open this up, and this is how we can play Java Edition. And if you just type in Minecraft, you're going to see something on there. You don't want to get that. That one sucks. You have to re-log in every time. Go to Add Instant, and then we can go to the latest version. And the cool thing about this one, we got all the different mod selections on here. We can just go to CurseForge, and then we can just easily add the mods. So just look at this, and then we can launch Minecraft through here. Now another thing, to get the Bedrock Edition, this is how you get the other edition, Java Edition. Go to the launcher, go to Start, or right here, and type in Minecraft Bedrock Launcher, and then we can open this up. Now the thing about this one is you have to buy it through the Google Play Store on your phone. So it should work. Once you buy it, you just sign into your account, and you're going to be playing the mobile version of Minecraft and Bedrock, which is fine. Allows you to do it. You're just not going to be using the Windows version. So it says, I'm not verified. I would have to retry. So you have to go to your phone, and then buy it and purchase it, and then log in with that same account right here, and then you should be able to play it on your Steam Deck. Now once you have the version, depending on whatever you have, Bedrock or the Java Edition, we want to go over to Steam now. Where's Steam? Open up Steam, and let's just go to the store here and open this up. We'll go to the library actually. Go to library, add game, add non-Steam game, and we have to add the launchers for that now. So they're called Prism, and I think it was like Minecraft, Bedrock. So, wrong one. Go to here, and then here's the Prism Launcher. Add selected programs. All right, now we can go back. Now, I love the Steam Deck. All right, I'm gonna go back. I'm going to love the Steam box, wherever they come out with next. I'm going to get that. Alright, so once we're back in here, we can go to the non-Steam games, and we can launch it from the handheld mode, or whatever this mode is called. Game mode, let's say that. So I'm on my Fire TV right now. I don't know if there's a lot of just squiggly lines for you, but there is for me. Now, under here, we should be able to just go to the non-Steam games. So let's go over our library. Look at the top. You got great on Steam Deck, non-Steam games right here. I added Minecraft. So don't get the Minecraft one. Get the Minecraft Bedrock or Prism. If you get the Minecraft one, you have to log in every time. That sucks. So we can go to the Prism Launcher. We can go to Play. Now, I should be able to just go to this and start it like normal now. I think there's a launch option right here. And it should work for me. So, if it doesn't, I guess I'll have to look at this a little bit more. I haven't used this version. Here it goes. I'm playing Minecraft on my Steam Deck. It works. So I can go to single player. Maybe I'll launch in. I got my controller next to me, my PS5 controller. Let's just go, now we don't want to do survival, let's go to creative, start, and see if it actually loads up, and then I'll be done. It should load up quick, right? It's the Steam Deck, it's not a PS4, where it takes like 3 minutes. Alright, loading in terrain, and I can officially say I'm playing Minecraft on my Steam Deck. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Gaming, or Studios, wherever you're watching.